Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Young. Are you ready to travel? Well, we have a new line of travel trailers to go over. The all-new Gulfstream Enlighten. Let's take a look into some of the great features that you're going to find inside your Enlighten. Now, both the single axle and double axle models share interior camp comfort features such as a 13,500 BTU AC, 80-inch ceiling height, LED interior lighting, multiple USB ports, teddy bear bunk mattresses, and high-performance vinyl flooring. In the kitchen, you'll find craft-made cabinetry with designer pulls, microwave oven, 2 or 3 burner gas cooktop, and solid countertops. An Enlighten exterior for either single axle or double axle models will have features such as a power awning, seamless synthetic vinyl roof, diamond plate lower front, and stabilizer jacks. The double axle models will also have additional interior features such as a skylight over tub, 6 cubic foot double door fridge, plus a faucet and designer backsplash in the kitchen. On the exterior, you'll discover a power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, pass-through storage, and a spare tire, Wi-Fi ready connections, and other tech upgrades. Now, the Enlighten comes in a bevy of family-friendly bunkhouses as well as some rear living floor plans for that camping couple. I tell you what, let's hit those bunkhouses first. First up is the Enlighten 18BH. This model runs just under 21 feet and has an unloaded weight of under 3,000 pounds. The 18BH has room to sleep 5 with its queen corner bed, twin bunks, and convertible dinette. The 19BH has an unloaded weight of under 4,000 pounds, double over double bunks, a Murphy bed system up front, and can sleep up to 7. Next up, the 25BH. It measures out nearly 27 feet and has an unloaded weight of just under 4,000 pounds. The 25BH boasts double over double bunks, a convertible dinette, and a centered queen bed up front, flanked by wardrobe closets and nightstands. The 25BH is capable of comfortably sleeping up to 7. Now, the Enlighten Giant, the 27BHS, is nearly 30 feet in length and has an unloaded weight of close to 5,200 pounds. Along with double over double bunks, this model also has a slide out containing a convertible dinette and a jackknife sofa. You'll find the main entry near the master bedroom with its solid privacy doors and an additional entry directly into the bathroom. The 27BHS can sleep up to 8. Now, for the camping couple, you'll find the efficient 20RD. The rear wall is shared by the convertible dinette and jackknife sofa. Up front sits a centered queen bed. The 20RD can easily sleep up to 4. The 21RBS can sleep up to 3. It has an open floor plan with a centered queen bed up front and a good-sized bathroom with radius shower in the back. The 23RLS is a true rear living floor plan with a large sofa on the back wall. With the large U-shaped dinette and queen bed, the 23RLS can sleep up to 5. You'll find a spacious walk-through bathroom as well as a handy-dandy outside beverage center with fridge and ice maker. When you're looking for the cost-effective travel trailer to provide everything you need for you and your family's RV life, check into the Gulfstream Enlighten.